Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you yet another job lead video. If you are enjoying these job leads so far, will you please like this video or comment down below just to let me know what you are wanting or looking for? So this position I have for you today is for all of you that have voiced that you want to have the flexibility of setting your own hours and schedule to work around other jobs, kids, schooling, all of that. So the pharmaceutical company GoodRx that normally provides discounted drugstore coupons to people is hiring for a clinical support advocate. Now this says GoodRx is America's healthcare marketplace. Millions of people visit their website to find reliable health information and discounts for their health care. And so their goal is to help Americans find convenient and affordable health care. So a little bit about the role. They are hiring independent contractors, so they will pay you straight pay and you will be responsible for paying the taxes on that, to provide support to GoodRx care patients and the medical providers that serve them. An ideal candidate would be able to work 30 to 40 hours a week, and though you will choose your own schedule, they prefer someone who has at least some weekend availability. They say is a plus. Responsibilities of this position include assisting in placing lab orders, following up with pharmacies, and other clinical admin tasks. You'll assist with patient support questions and needs online and via phone. So sometimes you will have to call and make phone calls. Other times it will be online through email or chat. You will coordinate and escalate issues with account management, shipments, billings, and other clinical admin tasks. You assist with clinical operations and provide communications, and you'll work closely with clinical and patient teams to make sure that escalated tasks are completed. And you will have to be confident in working with the electronic medical records system. Now it says skills and qualifications. It says while a college degree is ideal, it is not required. Yet again, no degree required, as long as you have comparable experience, customer service experience. They would like at least 1 year of customer service experience, ideally in healthcare, but it just says ideally. Any customer service experience is a plus. They want you to be experience communicating with medical providers is a plus, but then again, not required. You do need to be able to work independently and consistently and have excellent written and verbal communication skills and the ability to be confident in using technology. Of course, because this is a fully remote position, you need to have reliable internet access and a personal computer. They do not provide those for you. Now, as far as pay, it is based depending on experience, but it is from $20 to $24 an hour, which is amazing pay for a position that lets you also set your own schedule. It is a fully remote position, and again, it is independent schedule. You set your own. Please let me know down in the comments below if you do apply to this. I thought that this would be a great opportunity for some of you since it is full ability to set your own schedule. It doesn't look like they have any restrictions on setting what hours you work. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.